Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about the best Stanley 40 ounces straw replacement, an essential accessory for all Stanley Adventure Quencher travel tumblers. If you're someone who enjoys your beverages on the go, this is a product you won't want to miss. This 10-pack of replacement straws is designed to be the perfect fit for Stanley's 40 ounces and 64 ounces Adventure Quencher tumblers. Made from high-quality, food-grade Triton plastic, these straws are both durable and reusable, meaning they're not just better for your wallet, but also better for the environment. Whether you're sipping iced coffee, water, or any other cold or hot drinks, these straws will handle it all. The straws measured 12.13 inches in length and 0.375 inches in width, providing the perfect size for your tumbler. A standout feature is that these straws come with a cleaning brush, making maintenance a breeze. The brush ensures that your straws stay clean and hygienic after each use, prolonging the lifespan of your straws and maintaining the integrity of your beverages. Plus, they are dishwasher safe, adding extra convenience to your daily routine. Another benefit of these straws is their compatibility not just with Stanley but with many other tumbler brands as well. This flexibility is a key reason why these replacement straws have become a popular choice among users of various tumbler brands. Before purchasing, just make sure to check the size to ensure the perfect fit for your tumbler. The package includes 10 reusable straws, which should last you a long time, up to a year for a typical family, giving you peace of mind knowing you won't need to replace them anytime soon. With this many straws, you'll always have a clean, reliable replacement on hand when you need it. The straws are BPA-free, odorless, and made from Triton, the same material used in the original Stanley straws. This ensures they're safe to use, non-toxic, and free from harmful chemicals that could affect the taste of your drink. So, if you're tired of using disposable straws or dealing with melted plastic, this 10-pack replacement set is exactly what you need. The straws are sturdy, easy to clean, and designed to enhance your Stanley Adventure Quencher experience. Don't forget, if you're not satisfied with your purchase or experience any issues, the company offers a solid customer service guarantee. So, you can buy with confidence, knowing that any problems will be handled promptly. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.